Okay, 70% of what number is 84? If we use our clue words, we know that 84 is our part because it is 84. And of what number, that's our whole number. We do not know what that number is. We just know that 84 is 70% of that number. Now, there is no friendly relationship between 70 and 100 or 84 and 70. And so if we don't want to deal with fractional numbers, then what we can do is simplify 70 over 100. If we divide both by 10, then we will then have a problem that looks like 84 over our unknown number equals 7 over 10. Now, we do have a better relationship between 7 and 84 because if we multiply 7 times 12, that equals 84. So now all we have to do is multiply 10 times 12, and that gives us 120. And so 84 is 70% of 120.